the Game Grumps, that I them to death, and I love being able to with them on a regular basis.
It's hard to solve cube with your chica.
Did I ever tell you guys about the time that I broke my because that was an interesting experience, I will admit. I fell and shattered my in both bones. So when I stood up, my was like it was like this weird staircase step, like, Mark, you should try getting in the business. The world needs to see more of your videos. Oh my goodness.
Tell a romantic story about a dog and a cactus. Go. The dog, the cactus, the dog said, whoo, that gave me shivers.
But once again, I have the same question of why the hell were there scratches on the inside of my little here, literally. What? Can you Photoshop a unicorn and have a really big head? Lol, love you, Mark. Okay, I guess. Cool.
You know more people would read it than like Harry Potter and the Mystical.
I actually had a fan that did a running tackle at me while I was doing a signing, and she nearly cracked my in half. So my was broken at this point, and it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt at all, which was very bizarre, right up until the point where I decided to set it myself, because it didn't hurt, and my was a staircase, and obviously that's not right. So in my mind, I was like, I need to fix this. So I grab it by its broken part and just squeeze really tightly and
refrain from injuring your upon the lift doors.
How do I
Caught in the lift doors are to be abandoned immediately.
It's stupid to try to set your own even though the doctor, when he saw my broken said I had it almost correctly. You know, he went up to me and he was like, oh, you know, you almost did a great job here. You almost had it perfectly. And then he grabbed my and reset the bone, snapping it in twain and causing an immense amount of pain. So that was the time that I broke my